Welcome to Wolfnest, where we take your property investment to the next level. Today, we're diving into the world of cost-effective renovations to add substantial value to your rental property in the beautiful Salt Lake City, Utah. Let's explore some game-changing ideas that will not only enhance your property, but also keep your budget intact. First up, fresh paint. The power of a fresh coat of paint. It's incredible what a splash of color can do. Opt for those neutral tones, giving your property a clean and updated look, appealing to a broad range of potential tenants. Next, kitchen upgrade. Let's head to the heart of the home, the kitchen. You don't need a complete overhaul. A simple refresh like painting cabinets, updating hardware, or replacing fixtures can work wonders. Small changes, big impact. Third is bathroom refresh. Now let's not forget the bathrooms. A modern vanity, a stylish mirror, or updated fixtures can transform this space. Make it clean, well-lit, and inviting for those prospective tenants. Fourth, flooring improvements. While the cost of replacing can be daunting, consider stylish and affordable options like luxury vinyl planks or laminate flooring. It's a modern touch that's easy on the eyes and the budget. Fifth, curb appeal enhancements. The exterior is just as important. Trim those bushes, add fresh mulch, plant some flowers. Let's boost that curb appeal. It's the first thing your potential tenants will notice. Sixth, energy-efficient updates. And for the eco-conscious renters out there, consider energy-efficient updates. LED light bulbs, low-flow shower heads. These are small investments that not only save costs but also add value to your property. Number 7 on the list is smart home features. Now let's get tech-savvy. Smart home features like a thermostat or keyless entry system can elevate your property's perceived value without a hefty price tag. It's the future, and your property can be a part of it. Next, landscaping improvements. Spruce up that outdoor space. Simple landscaping improvements like flower beds, well-defined edges, and a well-groomed lawn make a huge impact. Your property deserves to stand out. Ninth, storage solutions. Enhance your property with added shelves, hooks, or a small storage shed. More storage space is always a plus for tenants, adding even more value to your rental property. Wrapping up the list, regular property maintenance. Remember, consistent maintenance is the key. And to ensure your property is always in top-notch condition, consider partnering with a reliable property management company. That's where Wolfnest comes in. As we conclude this exploration of cost-effective renovations, remember that the true value of your property lies in the expertise and dedication invested in its management. At Wolfnest, we don't just manage properties, we curate experiences and ensure your investment blossoms into its full potential. Contact Wolfnest today, and let's embark on a journey where your property not only adds value but becomes a testament to smart, strategic, and thriving real estate investment.